guys, this is Riley's Great Tour and my mommy is going to read this book. It is called Eagle, but in Korean we say it 독수리.
Okay, let's start. Can you open the book?
Okay. 독수리.
Wow, there's an eagle.
There's a giant eagle, but if you want to see the head,
What?
look at that. Now we can see the head.
독수리는 모든 새들의 왕입니다. It's the king of all the birds.
Like the king of all the animals. The lion. Now let's change into the other page.
Your nails are bothering you? Do you want me
No.
to help you? Okay.
Ooh, look at all these feathers and eggs and beak and feet.
독수리는 크고 긴 날개와 날카로운 발톱, 그리고 갈고리 모양의 부리를 지니고 있는 사나운 새입니다. 몸은 작은 깃털로 덮여 있습니다. 몸통에 붙어 있는 깃털은 길이가 50cm에 이르는 것도 있답니다. 실제 크기와 같은 독수리의 알입니다. 갈고리 모양의 부리로 먹이를 잘게 자를 수 있습니다. 크고 억센 발톱으로는 먹이를 강력하게 움켜쥘 수 있습니다. Wow. Cool things about eagle, right?
Yeah.
Doo-doo-doo.
Now this is the eagle page, but if you want to see the head of the bird holding the twig, then you can.
Wow.
But it covers the tree picture.
여러 종류의 나뭇가지를 이용해 바위를 둥지로 칩니다. 독수리는 매년 같은 둥지를 사용합니다. 자연히 해마다 둥지가 커질 수밖에 없습니다.
So the bird is so this is talking about the nest. So now let's move to the other page. Look.
이미 독수리는 보통 한두 개의 알을 낳습니다. 갓 태어난 새끼는 온몸이 하얀 솜털로 덮여 있습니다. 수컷 독수리가 먹이를 갖고 오면 어미 독수리는 먹이를 잘게 찢어서 새끼들에게 먹입니다.
So this book is about this page is about the mom eagle. The mom eagle lays a baby eagle. Then the mommy eagle
That's the daddy eagle.
Oh. So the
Daddy
daddy
eagle
eagle
hunts the food.
hunts the food. It's a baby rabbit and it kills it and then brings them in and then get the meat out and put it into there.
Mommy's feeding the baby.
So the dad hunts the food and the mom gives them the food.
Okay.
Now the next page we turn around. Turn around.
아주 멀리 떨어져 있는 곳에서도 먹잇감을 발견하면 날개를 붙인 채 시속 100km로 급강하게 잡아챕니다. 시속 100km is like faster than a car.
Yeah.
Yeah, so fast.
It's so fast. It's faster than an autobus.
Mhm.
It's faster than a scooter.
Mhm.
Maybe it's faster than a subway.
Mhm.
Ooh, so cool.
Okay, show us the picture,
So-
please.
There is a mountain and a deer and then a weird.
Maybe chicken or duck.
Yeah.
산속에 사는 동물들은 독수리의 그림자만 보고도 겁을 먹습니다. 그러나 미처 도망가지 못한 마르모트 한 마리가 독수리에게 잡히고 말았습니다.
Oh no! And if you want to move, you can see more animals.
Oh, let's read. Can you show me the page? 산토끼는 급히 도망을 갑니다. 샤모아 사냥이 안 보여. 새끼들을 걱정하고 있습니다. 뇌조도 알을 재빨리 감춥니다. 마르모트들은 소리를 지르며 땅굴로 숨어버립니다.
Now let's go to the other page again. Oh, here. And I'll show you a picture of like, there's a fox. There's a fox dog because it looks like fox on a dog. That's
Let me see, please. 중국에서는 넓은 초원이 온통 눈으로 덮이면 여름 내 훈련시킨 독수리를 데리고 여우 사냥을 떠나곤 합니다. 교활한 여우가 독수리의 억센 발톱에서 용케 벗어났습니다. 와우.
wow. So people
In China,
in China are hunting for foxes
using eagle.
use an eagle.
That's right. Cool things, huh?
Yeah, very cool. And look, if you do like this, it's running away in this side. But if you move it this way, it's running away the other side.
Ooh.
It's supposed to be like this way, but I just moved it here.
Okay.
So I can show you like that. Like that again. Dee-dee-dee-doo. Ooh.
Please show me
So
the
like
picture.
I'm going to show the other cool picture like
Okay.
in this side and eagle is on the branch on summer or spring. I think summer.
Mm-hmm.
And on this side, if
Wow.
you change it, an
It's the
eagle
winter.
is on the winter mountain.
Can I see? 검은 독수리만이 한겨울에도 다른 곳으로 이동하지 않고 자신의 영역을 지킵니다. 다른 독수리들은 좀 더 따뜻한 곳으로 찾아가 겨울을 납니다.
Ooh, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Let's move away from that page. Ooh, it looks like an eagle is getting a fish.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the
머리가
fish there.
하얀 흰머리 수리는 Stop moving. 몸집이 매우 큽니다. 물고기들을 잘 잡아먹기 때문에 낚시꾼 수리라고도 불립니다. 흰머리 수리는 미국을 상징하는 새기도 합니다.
So,
You know, if you go to
they-
America,
you
there's
go
like
to
a
America, there's these kind of eagles,
there's a
and
signature.
for like the
The
symbol,
country.
the symbol, and like so they have a white head, so they call them white head eagle.
I think so. 흰머리 독수리래.
So that means white head eagle.
Don't scratch while doing the filming.
So this picture looks like a person is giving some feathers to the eagle. But when you change it, it looks like it's giving to the boss of them. But it's actually giving to the boss and not the eagle. Because an eagle can't be the boss.
독수리는 아메리칸 인디안 I can't see if you keep moving. 아메리칸 인디언들에게 아주 귀한 새였습니다. 머리에 꽂혀 있는 독수리의 깃털을 보면 누가 얼마나 용감한지 알 수 있습니다. 아메리칸 인디언 청년들은 자신의 용기와 담력을 보여주기 위해 독수리 둥지에 있는 깃털을 가져왔습니다. Don't do that. Listen carefully. Next page, please.
Okay. Ooh, so many different kind of eagle. And look at this one. This looks like a turkey.
오케이. 안 보여. 흰 허리 독수리, 달마수리, 뱀 독수리, 항나머리 독수리, 흰머리 수리, 흰 긴목 독수리, 매, 말똥가리, 새매. 이 새들은 모두 사나운 육식성 조류입니다.
And did you know, guys, I saw like this and this and this kind of eagle in the zoo.
Really? They're all like eating meat.
Yeah,
Birds.
but this one only snakes.
Mm-hmm. Ew.
Ew.
Ew, I'm so scared.
My mom is a snake. I told you. Oh, this is the. Wait, I don't think we have to. Oh, it's the end.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
This was the Book of Eagles. Bye bye.
Bye bye.